Hey guys, it has been a minute. God, I have not vlogged in months. Let me not even lie. I think since August, yeah, August was the last time I actually vlogged. I forget to vlog. I go places, I forget to vlog. I do things, I forget to vlog. I have forgotten how to be a YouTuber, but I'm back. I think so. Yeah, so guys, welcome to a new vlog. If you miss me, I love you, babies. If you are new here, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. You know how we do over here. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, 10,000, but let's get to 1,000 first. So let's rack the numbers up. Yeah, so I just finished filming. I was supposed to have, I filmed like 4 videos today, man. Like, whew, finished filming for YouTube, TikTok. I made so many TikToks. So I'm trying to be more active. TikTok grows quickly, so I'm trying to be more active on TikTok. Yeah, so I supposed to have welcomed you guys to this vlog when it was like just to be light, and I want to take this makeup off. I was like, let me welcome you guys into a new dispensation with the makeup on, me looking all pretty. I mean, I look pretty all the time, but yeah, that's the gist. So I don't know. Yeah, so see you guys in my next entry. Yes, I actually wanted to start this vlog on November 1st. That is November 15th today. November 1st, when I went to get my braids done, I had a collaboration with a salon, but I forgot. That's what I'm saying. I've been forgetting to vlog. I've been doing things, but don't worry, I'll take you guys along. This is November 15th, just like I said. Welcome to a new vlog. I love you. Stay tuned. I got this light. So yeah, I'm trying so hard to be a YouTuber. I'm really trying. I actually forgot, you guys. I just finished hosting an event, my first time, and I'm so excited because this thing has been on my list for, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but people are talking, but this thing has been on my I didn't bring my mic, but this thing has been on my list of goals for a long time, and I didn't know how or when I was going to achieve it, but it came knocking on my door, and I did, and I'm like, what happened? The lights went off. So yeah, so I'm going home. I just finished. I'm so hungry, and I promised to be a better YouTuber. I've added some clips. It was a very short, not short though, it was about 4 hours long discussion type event, and it was hosted. It was for my friend. You guys have seen her clips. I'm trying so hard to be a YouTuber. I'm looking here, so I'm to be looking here. So you guys on my next, yeah. So I'm leaving now. I'm going home and I'm tired. And I did my hair. I don't know if you guys see. I added the curls by myself. I filmed it for. Filmed it. It's cute. What do you mean I thought of my camera? Tell us something. Tell us for instance before I do. Drop one like yes. Word. This one I think I'm my best one now.
Like I take your madam, don't want to feel nothing at all. You like what you choose, give me more like I be bounce. On paragon, let me higher, don't want to learn you. So now I don't understand you, no matter what I do.
So I don't know if you guys can hear me. So I'm basically saying that I'm going home right now. I'm trying to be a better YouTuber because I forgot to tell you guys that I was dressing up this morning. I remembered, but I forgot again because I was trying to rush out of the house, and I also forgot all the way here that I was not supposed to do anything on YouTube. So I put colors in my hair, and I love it so much. I filmed it for social media, just content basically. So I came to host my friend's event. This is the first time, and I'm excited because this is something that I've always wanted to do. Like I'm not going to call it bucket list. It's kind of like a goal for me. So I did that, and I'm excited because it just came like she's looking for someone to host the event. I mean, I was going to attend the event, but like she was like looking for someone to host the event. She knows I do content, and I'm a chatty Cathy. So I said, okay, we're just like, okay, I'm going to do it. And I did it. It was fun. And I'm going to be doing it often. You guys should book me. I mean, I love curls in my hair. I love curls in my hair. Like, this hair is giving me life. I'm going home now. I'm really hungry. I need to get food. I need to get home so I can rest and post the video this evening. Yeah. So that's the 411. And I'm going to be a better YouTuber, you guys. I have so many videos on my phone that I'm supposed to edit and put on YouTube. I also went out this weekend with my girls and I didn't vlog that. God, I've forgotten how to be a YouTuber, but I'm going to try because I have lots of fun activities planned out this November and December. Okay, November is ending already, so next week is December. So yeah, watch out, watch out, watch out. I took so many beautiful pictures today. Love that. See, I just saw somebody vlogging. I was like, oops, I'm supposed to be vlogging. So I'm here today. I came to work, but it was like a party work kind of thing. I came to create content for a bridal shower. Yeah, and I mean, this apartment is really nice. Like, it's beautiful. It's like one of the best apartments I've seen, like commercial apartments that I've seen in a very, very, very long time. Like, it's really nice. I wish to show you guys some bits of it. I mean, it has a, I'm talking too much. It has a transparent bathroom in the room. Like, this apartment is nice. Like, I need to just have the person's number in case I want to. Like, I love this apartment. I mean, I'll be sleeping here tonight, so I mean, that's a win. But I'm working downstairs and I still come and check the room, and I love, love, love the room. And I'm looking good also. Let me show you guys the apartment and my look. I mean, check out this apartment. Look at this one. Well, sha. This is what I look like. This is what I look like. I'm giving no forget. This babe na babe. This babe na babe. This babe na babe, I beg. See what I'm speaking about the apartment, and it has like really high walls. So beautiful. So beautiful. I'll check the other room. I have to go and pick up a delivery outside, but I beg. I'm taking it in. Gosh. I don't know, like I love houses. I want a house so bad. Like I love houses. Like this bathroom is not even disappointing me at all. Like every time I open anywhere in this house, like you just give it. Let me check. There are 3 rooms here. Let me show you guys the last one. I know this is not much of a tour. No, don't play with me. Look at now. You guys see house. Jesus Christ. God, I want a house, I beg. See, Jesus Christ. See, so high. This apartment is beautiful. God, no, it's beautiful. Like, you guys, see. Hey.
These guys are, oh my God, they are really Jesus. God. If I'm making this thing like this.
It's a wrap. It's supposed to be like peace sign or like as per YouTube channel and all that. TikTok is the other camera side. Vlogmas.
Like I take tramadol, don't want to feel nothing at all. You like go to Calabar, give me moral like I be bouncer. Mon paragon, let me higher, don't want to land you. Until now I don't understand you, no matter what I do. There's nothing else.